A little bit of garlic butter. We are going to brush over the top of our King's Hawaiian rolls that we just smashed down with our rolling pin, just creating a nice crust for ourselves. Ooh, I want to get all that chunky garlic right off there and brush it on to these rolls. I love garlic. Next, a little bit of pizza sauce. I like Rao's brand. I feel like all their sauces actually, I mean, I know they're a little bit more expensive, but I really do think that the flavor is worth the cost. So we're just spreading this all over the top, you guys. This crust from these Hawaiian rolls is going to be such a great sweet added touch to what we are making for dinner tonight. Wow, that looks great. And I would say that is probably just about the amount of sauce that I like. Maybe I'll come in and put just another scoopful here. Perfect. We are adding a little bit of mozzarella right here on the top. Cheesing up.
Cheese it up.
Our little pizza here that we got going on, you guys. This is an easy, cool twist on an all-time favorite right here with a little bit of extra added flavor. All right, we're gonna come in with a little bit of salami and stick that all over the top of our pizza here. Ooh, you guys, this is gonna be a little sweet, a little spicy, and a little savory. The perfect combination, if you ask me. All right, looks great with our salami. Whoops, there we go. We'll stick that guy right there. Now I have some goat cheese. I'm going to just kind of spoon out and place little pieces of this throughout the top of our pizza here. I am a pretty big fan of goat cheese, you guys. I used to not really like it that much, but I've really grown an appreciation for the flavor, and it's just so creamy when it melts with the cheese. It just gives you just an extra bite of this rich, creamy goodness. Yummy. My mouth is watering. All right, that looks great. We are topping our pizza here with Italian seasoning, just giving it a light sprinkle throughout the top. And a little bit of crushed red pepper. We will put that all on the top, just sprinkling a little bit here. Look at how cute and pretty that looks. We have some white and red colors going on. I love it. That's it. Super easy. You can tell we have our Hawaiian smashed rolls for our pizza crust, a little bit of that garlic butter, some sauce, mozzarella cheese, salami, goat cheese, a little red pepper to complement the sweetness of the rolls. And we're gonna stick this in the oven. We're gonna put it at 350 and I'm gonna cook it probably for about 15 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it. I don't want the cheese to melt on top, but I want it to get nice and crispy. And stick around because we still have another step to do and I can't wait to show you what it is. Yum, this pizza smells delicious. I'm gonna take my spatula here, really carefully. Oh, perfect, look at that, slides right off. Yum, you guys, this smells so good. One little added touch, you guys, we are adding some hot honey. Look at this, Walter, not for you, not yet. Here, you can sit and have a piece later. Okay, so we're just going to add a little drizzle. Oh, how do we open this thing here? Oh, duh. We're adding a little drizzle of this hot honey right here on top, and we're just gonna, ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, like this pizza couldn't get any better. We're just adding to that little spice and savoriness. Wow, you guys, that looks delicious. Have you ever tried hot honey? It's so good. All right, I'm gonna come right here in the front and I'm just gonna cut myself a little slice right here. Ooh, just heard it crunch. Just the way I like it. Okay, let's get in here. Yummy. Ooh, that looks so good. Yum. All right, babe. I know you, ooh, look at that cheese. I love it. Ooh. Okay, there we go. I know you said you're super hungry, so I'm gonna let you come over here and try the first bite of this.
Okay.
Come on, big boy. Here you go. I want you to take that bite with the honey and the goat cheese and the salami. Ooh, look at that cheesiness. It's good, huh?
Wow.
Isn't it? I told you. You guys, this is so good. We have some savory and spicy and sweet going on here. This is such a great pizza. If you've ever tried that hot honey, I want to know what you put it on. And I also want to know if you would do anything different with this pizza, although I think it is perfect just the way it is. Enjoy.